First, you're gonna cut the tomatoes. Like, there's a bad spot, cut it out as close as I can so I could get a little bit out and then a little bit more tomatoes. So, like, it's just cutting stuff out that's bad. Just because it's a little bit bad doesn't mean the whole tomato needs to go. So I cut the pot off and use the rest. Now I cut them up. Then I blend them and I show you what I'm doing. It's not perfectly, it's still a little bit chunky and all, but all I'm worried about is that this chucking them up a little bit, make it a little bit smaller pieces, doesn't have to go completely. It's just gonna cook down a little bit faster. But the more you blend it, the easier it's gonna cook down. That's all I'm doing right now. So what I'm gonna do now is having it on a really low boil, low cook, simmer it a little bit, just letting it cook down a little bit. I stir it from time to time and just wait until it's cooked down enough that it's the consistency I want, and then I will season it up. Alright, I did put some basil, some oregano, and some garlic in my pasta sauce. I did it off camera because I just did a pinch of each and about 3 teaspoons of minced garlic, but that's what we like, and how you season your sauce is all up to you. What I have now is 2 of those jars, and now we're gonna can them together with the leftover barbecue sauce I have still in the fridge for 15 minutes, 15 to 20, somewhere in that area, and I'll meet you over at the stove and we put it in a canner. Yes, I had to change my clothes because I'm making chokeberry jelly too, which video come out soon. So now we have the sauce ready. We're going to put it in a canner for about 20 minutes. Alright, the water is boiling now, and like I said, I'll put that in there and I'm going to can it for 20 minutes. And here we have it. Canned and ready. Always put the canned stuff on a towel. You want to have a barrier between the hot jar and the cold countertop. But that's all I have for you today. Thanks for joining me. I hope you enjoyed it. Let me know how you make your noodle sauce, pasta sauce, and until the next time, stay prepared and sustainable.